Hi viewers, I am welcome to our channel Climax Tech Product Summary. Euhomy Commercial Ice Maker Machine, 100 pounds/24H stainless steel under-counter ice machine with 33 pounds ice storage capacity. Freestanding Ice Maker. Freestanding Ice Maker Machine. Thing details. Name. 1. Euhomy Ice Maker give you the best ice. Are you still worried about not making enough ice? Eухomy's commercial freestanding ice maker design helps you solve your problem. Commercial ice maker machine can produce 100 pounds of ice per day and comes with a storage container for 33 pounds of ice. The automatic overflow prevention of the ice machine maker also allows you not to worry about ice cubes overflow. Believe me, this ice maker portable alone can meet your entire family ice cubes needs. 2. Commercial use and ETL certification. Different from other standalone ice maker, Euhomy's ice maker commercial have ETL certification and are approved for commercial use. This is both a household ice maker and a commercial ice machine. This ice maker can appear anywhere. You can use it in your home, indoor kitchen, outdoor kitchen, or in restaurant/bar/hotel/grocery store and so on. 3. Multifunction control panel. The Ice Maker Machine Commercial is equipped with a smart LCD panel. Any function and any operation can be solved in the control panel. The panel shows the temperature of the environment, reminding you to pay attention to the temperature of the surrounding environment to ensure the efficiency of ice making. You can adjust the size of ice cubes by adjusting the ice making time. The industrial ice machine will clean automatically when you press